can you see who viewed your Facebook story if not friends? So if you want to see who viewed your Facebook story if not friends, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now after that, if you open up your story, then you'll be able to see the views on the bottom left. So you can tap on views, and under views you will have your view count, right? So if you want to see who viewed your Facebook story other than your friends, then here, after tapping on the views, which is on the bottom right, you can scroll all the way down. Once you scroll all the way down, then here you will have 80 other people viewed this story. So since it's a public story, people who are not your friends will also be able to see it. So you need to tap on other 80 other people, and once you tap on it, you won't be able to see the other 80 people. So you won't be able to see who viewed your Facebook story other than your friends, but you can only have the count, the view count. You can also go with the insights section, and here also you'll have some insights, but you won't be able to see who viewed your Facebook story if not your friends. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.